Hello everyone, welcome back to eGames. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to teach you how you could possibly stop your phone from lagging while playing Free Fire. So if you are having a lot of problems lately of phone lagging while playing Free Fire, this video is for you. Open your Free Fire app, press on it, and then go to Settings. Then you could go and hit the force stop. Press on OK. Then go to Storage. Press on Clear Cache. After you clear your cache memory, your phone might stop lagging while playing Free Fire. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. And also, do comment what your problems are of Free Fire and any other tech-related problems. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.